Hi kids, today I'm going to show you how to do your rhythm abstract art assignment. So the supplies that you're going to need for this is going to be your art supply pack with whatever supplies you picked out. And then I will give you in class a variety of options of colored papers. And you can pick a color that the psychology of color goes along with the emotion of your song. Then you're also going to need to have picked out a school appropriate song. So that should be a song that has no cursing and that the theme of the song is appropriate for school as well. So let's look at what I picked. So this is the song that I picked. It's called Begin Again by Purity Ring. And I double checked that this song is school appropriate as far as it doesn't have any cursing, and the theme of the song is a topic that's okay for school. So what I'm going to be doing is listening to this song while I create artwork about the rhythm of the song. And I want to convey the rhythm through shapes and lines. And I also want to convey the emotion of the song through color and shape. So I'll be paying attention to make sure that I'm showing these things as best as I can. And this project is going to be a little bit of up to your interpretation, but I'm excited to see what you guys make, and I know that you're going to do your best. So let's get started. So here's all the supplies that I have. I'm going to move those out of the way. And I picked a green paper for the base of my abstract artwork. The reason why I chose green is because the color represents growth, and the song that I chose is called Begin Again, so I think that green is going to be a good choice here. So I'm listening to the song, and I'm going to begin to draw the beat out. And I'm going to start with maybe a blue. Boom. Beat. Begin again. I'll be the earth and when we start over. Okay, so I decided to start off with something that's a little bit difficult to see, and then I'll make it darker later. Here represents the first beats in the song that is like a succession of quick beats. And then there's like some higher pitched clapping sounds, and so I added these abstract lines up higher on the page. And then the beat drops, and there's a variety of beats that have lower bass tones, so I added that with some circle shapes to represent that. And the singer has kind of a flowy voice that goes high. And so and she kind of sings in and out of the beats. So I started adding lines in to create the illusion of her voice singing there. So what I would do is continue to just add details to this and turn it into an abstract artwork based on the song. So I'm going to re-listen to the beginning of the song and add a couple more details, and then I'll just continue from there. Begin again, begin again, begin again. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, so we're going to work on this for 2 days. I want you guys to fill the whole page by the time you're done, so this is not yet finished. Different things represent different things. So for example, the shapes here would represent some of the drum beats. These things that I made up, it's like a clap. And then here was the beginning beats of the song. These echoes are like when the singer's voice echoes and there's like other people singing behind. And then I have the blue line representing the singer's voice weaving in and out of the beats. These bigger circles with the small circles inside represent like a deeper beat. And then I would just continue to fill the whole page while listening to the song. On the back of my artwork, I'm going to put my name. And I'm going to put my class period. And I'm just going to put period 1. So this can be stored in the art classroom without anybody forgetting whose is whose. So this is an abstract artwork that I based on the song Purity Ring. I mean, not the song, the song Begin Again by Purity Ring. Okay, students, I think this should be a pretty fun assignment, a good way for you to connect music to art through rhythm. Remember, use color to show emotion, use shape to show emotion, and use rhythm to show the beat of the music as best you can. Not everyone's going to know how to do this right off the bat, and I won't say that I'm an expert at it, but I think it will be a fun way to get in tune with rhythm and connect to art more. All right, enjoy yourselves. Remember, fill that whole page. Bye.